That is why on the temple, we have it above not every door, but every temple has holiness to the Lord, the house of the Lord. Why? Because it's his holy order. That's what's happening there. That's what people are being initiated into. And now you receive of the same as the Son. Like, that's the point. Like, it's just these verses, man, this section, it simplifies so much the complexity of the gospel. It makes it so easy to understand because it's all right here.
And I will point out the nuance, but everything from baptism through initiatory, the endowment, and the sealing ordinance, all that is still foreordinations, preparatory, pointing to the crowning ordinance of calling and election, the washing of feet and the second anointing. And that is the moment when we truly receive of the fullness of priesthood and become partakers of that fullness of glory. So that's probably more the church of the firstborn, but I like the symbolism of showing how the temple is basically kind of representative of that, of what you're seeking, what you're just as baptism is the gateway into the church of Jesus Christ, the ordinance of the temple, they're the gateway ordinances into the church of the firstborn, which is the promise of exaltation and the fullness of glory. So that is, calling election, it's a doctrine that's very well established, but very rarely talked about in the church, like from the pulpit, right? Not a lot of conference talks these days on calling an election. But which
is too bad, but
agreed. Because the point I was going to make is every faithful member should have their sights set on calling an election, on being called up and receiving the fullness of priesthood and receiving these ordinances. It's a journey. It's kind of a lifelong pursuit, but we need to live our lives with the faith and the hope that we can enter into and receive the fullness of glory, the fullness of priesthood. Because if you just say, well, I went to the temple, I got sealed, now I'm just going to endure to the end, there's not as much motivation in that as there is to, I'm going to do everything in my power to qualify myself for the promise of exaltation in this life. To me, that's a very inspiring and empowering idea.
To be fair, the temple does, at least in the instructions and some of the words, they allude to this idea of being called up.
They flat out say it, right?
Yes, they do. They don't use the terminology calling an election, but I suppose it is talked about every day in the temple. It's just not the same terminology as what we're discussing here. But you're right, though. The way to think about this is we should be living our lives in preparation for and seeking after that gift, that blessing. It is available. And the temple essentially says as much, and yet we just too often we forget to focus on that and make that the center of what we're doing to receive that blessing. Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.